Welcome to Battery Breakdown, a monthly video series that shares the biggest updates from the EV battery materials industry across Europe and the U.S. I'm your host, Cain van Heyningen, Senior Consultant here at Coalesce Management Consulting, the EV battery industry consultant that provides engineering and project management services on investment projects on a global scale. For our first update, the U.S. Department of Energy has finalized a $225 million grant to support Standard Lithium and Equinor's Southwest Arkansas lithium project. This significant milestone marks a major step in boosting domestic lithium production for batteries. Back in May of 2024, Equinor formed a strategic partnership with Standard Lithium, acquiring a 45% stake in lithium projects across Southwest Arkansas and East Texas. This collaboration aims to strengthen the U.S. supply chain for critical battery materials. $225 million in funding comes from the Department of Energy's Office for Manufacturing and Supply Chains. It will be used to construct a state-of-the-art facility for the Southwest Arkansas project. In its first phase, the project is expected to produce 22,500 tons of lithium carbonate annually, which is a key ingredient for battery production. This project is a part of a broader push to secure the raw materials needed for clean energy technologies and also to reduce the reliance on imports. By scaling up the domestic lithium production, the US takes a crucial step towards meeting the growing demand for electric vehicles and also energy storage solutions. With this partnership and federal support, Standard Lithium and Equinor are paving the way for a more sustainable and energy independent future. The next update is about Vianode, a battery manufacturer that has signed a landmark long-term agreement with General Motors. The deal ensures the supply of synthetic graphite of GM's electric vehicles through at least 2033, with an estimated value of over several $billions. The synthetic graphite will be produced at a large-scale plant Vianode plans to build in North America. The production at this plant is expected to begin in 2027. This agreement follows a rigorous multi-year qualification process during which Vianode's graphite, which was initially produced in Norway, successfully met GM's performance and validation standards. The synthetic graphite will play a critical role in enhancing the efficiency and the performance of GM's EVs. The partnership itself highlights the growing focus on building a secure and sustainable future for North America's EV battery material supply chain. It also underscores Vianode's commitment to delivering high-performance battery materials at scale to meet the increasing demand for EVs. For our third update, Vulcan Energy has reached a major milestone by producing battery-grade LHM for the first time at its central lithium electrolysis optimization plant. The innovative process extracts lithium directly from thermal water through adsorption and then refines it into high-purity LHM, all without fossil fuels. This ensures an extremely low carbon footprint for the entirety of the production. Since the CLEOP's launch in November of 2024, the facility has focused on refining and validating the entirety of the production process. Plans for a large-scale commercial production facility in Frankfurt-Höchst are already on the way, with a projected annual production of 24,000 tons of LHM in the very first phase. This volume could supply lithium of around 50,000 electric vehicles. Major industry players such as Stellantis, Renault, and LG are already testing and validating Vulcan's product as part of the qualification process. This breakthrough positions Vulcan Energy as one of the key leaders in sustainable lithium production for Europe's growing EV battery materials market. For our last update, the U.S. Department of Energy has approved a loan of up to $9.63 billion for BlueOval SK, which is a joint venture between Ford Motor Company and Korean battery manufacturer SK On. The funding will support the construction of 3 advanced battery factories in Tennessee and Kentucky, which will produce batteries for Ford and Lincoln electric vehicles. The project includes 2 facilities in Kentucky's BlueOval SK battery park, expected to produce over 80 gigawatt hours of battery capacity on an annual basis. A third facility, which is called BlueOval City, is under construction in Stanton, Tennessee, with a projected output of 40 gigawatt hours. Together, the plants would have a total capacity of 120 gigawatt hours per year, with production set to begin in 2025. The factory will create approximately 7,500 jobs, 5,000 in Kentucky and 2,500 in Tennessee. These were the biggest updates from the EV battery materials industry across Europe and the US. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like, a comment, and a share. If you have an advanced engineering project coming up, CMC provides engineering, construction, and project management services to help you deliver your project under time and under budget. For more information, please visit www.expertisedeliver.com or reach out directly to me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I'm Cain van Heyningen. This has been Battery Breakdown and hope to see you again next month.